In this video, we will show you how to replace your driver's side inside door handle on this Honda Accord. This will be mounted inside of your driver's side door. Let's get into it. In the center of the inside door handle, you're going to find that you have a Phillips head screw. Sometimes this will have a protective cover. You can use a small pick to remove that cover. Ours is missing. I'll remove the Phillips head screw though. Inspect your mounting hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. We'll continue on with a plastic trim tool. We want to go ahead and try to separate this. Looking along the backside, you'll find your door handle release rod. We need to disconnect that. To do that, you're going to use your trim tool and pry the small hooked area out of the locked position. If that breaks, it's okay, we're replacing it anyway. Let's go ahead and remove that rod now. Just gently pry up on that, should slide out of position. There we are. We'll follow it to the front end here. We have an electrical connector. Give it a squeeze and remove it. Quick inspection for corrosion, set that aside. Now that we have that out of place, the next thing we need to do is have a look along the back side. We're going to remove the door lock switch. You'll find this is held in place with two Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove that door lock switch, a quick inspection. And there it is, friend. Now we can prepare our brand new inside door handle for installation. Starting with the door lock switch, we'll make sure we install that in the proper orientation. With that rested in position, you can start in each of your two mounting bolts. It's a good idea to start each of these in by hand. When you snug them up, you only want to bottom them out. We do not want to crack the plastic. Take hold of that, give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secured to this area. Let's get ready to install our inside door handle. Of course, we do have the wiring harness that will lead to the door lock, but we're going to start with the door lock rod. That leads over to here. We have the hooked area. We want to make sure that we slide the rod down and through this port and then lock it in with the hooked area over the rod and a quick inspection to make sure it's properly secured. Just have to try to press this down in there. Swing this over. Let's get the door lock wiring harness in there. Now we can take this, we're going to slide it in and then slide it rearward. There we are. I felt that latch in. Continue on with your mounting screw. Protect that port with your mounting cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.